Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting by preparing the frames and layers so the swipe works predictably. Create separate frames for each swipe position and name them clearly, because consistent naming saves time later. Once done, group objects that move together and use auto layout for lists or cards that will resize. This keeps spacing consistent. Make sure to set identical frame sizes and align content to the same axes so transitions don't jump. This setup is the foundation for smooth prototype animations. Now you'll add the interaction that performs the swipe. Select the source frame, link it to the next frame using the Prototype tab, and choose the on-drag trigger so the user physically swipes. Pick Navigate to with Smart Animate to interpolate layer positions and opacity automatically. Adjust easing and duration. 300 milliseconds is a reliable starting point, and preserve scroll position if content scrolls. If elements move independently, ensure matching layer names so Smart Animate recognizes them and produces a fluid motion. Finish by refining and testing the swipe until it feels natural. Preview in present mode and try different swipe speeds. Make sure your threshold catches intended gestures. If the animation stutters, check that matching layers have identical names and that constraints are set consistently so auto layout doesn't reflow unexpectedly. Once you adjust easing and durations, retest. If problems persist, use an instant transition for problem elements or add a micro interaction to mask timing glitches while you debug layer names and constraints.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.